Good morning and welcome again to Reconstitution of Partnership Firm. First of all, we are going to understand what is the meaning of this term reconstitution of a partnership firm. So, let's see its meaning. Reconstitution means that a partnership is the result of an agreement, and any change in the agreement or the relations of the partners will result in the reconstitution of the partnership firm. It means new agreement will take place and the old agreement will stop existing. Now, this new agreement defines the relationship of the partners. Whenever there's a change in agreement, that is partnership agreement, the businesses, the partnership firms will continue, but the relationship among the partners changes. Therefore, the firm is said to be reconstituted when there is change in profit sharing ratio, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, or there is amalgamation of two partnership firms. These are the five reasons which comes under reconstitution of partnership firm. And children, this is an important area of examination question. We can ask you in exam that what are the different ways by which a firm is reconstituted. This reminds me of one question in board exams which came in past years, where it was said that other than admission of a new partner, retirement of a partner, and death of a partner, give two reasons when the partnership firm is reconstituted. So in that case, your answer was point number one, change in profit sharing ratio, and point number five, amalgamation of two partnership firms. So when you note down these five cases in your copy, mark it important. I hope it's clear. Now, as you saw just now, there are five reasons why a firm is said to be reconstituted. And we are going into admission of a new partner as a complete chapter now. Let's see first what is the meaning of this word admission of a partner or a new partner. Children, if you remember, I told you that the minimum limit of partners in any partnership firm will be 20. That is quite understood. It's a common sense. And the maximum limit goes 50. So anytime in a business, any running partnership firm may feel the need of taking a partner, and that is called admission of a new partner. With the mutual consent of all the partners, existing partners, if a decision is taken to take one more partner or more than one partner into the partnership firm, it is a case of admission of a new partner. So here it is. Admission of a new partner is reconstitution of the firm because with the admission of a partner, existing agreement comes to an end and a new agreement among all the partners, including incoming or new partner, comes into existence. When firm requires additional capital or managerial help or both for the expansion of its business, a new partner may be admitted to supplement its existing resources. Now, this is again an area of examination question. Your question can be, why is there a need for admitting a new partner into the firm? I repeat, what is the need to take a new partner into the firm? So here is the answer. Number one, for additional capital. That means more capital requirement in the business. Point number one. Number two, for better managerial help. And number three, for both, which means additional capital as well as managerial help. I hope this is clear. Now, according to Section 31 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, a person can be admitted as a partner if it is so agreed in the partnership deed, or in the absence of the above, if all the partners agree for the admission of a new partner. So we have seen that if there is a need of additional capital or better managerial ability or both, there is sufficient reason for any partnership firm to take new persons as partner. After a partner is taken in a firm, the newly admitted partner acquires two main rights in the partnership firm. I repeat, after admission, the newly admitted partner acquires two main rights in the partnership firm. Now, what are those two rights? We will see it. Number one, right to share in the future profits of the partnership firm. Right to share in what? In the future profits of the partnership firm. And number two, right to share the assets of the partnership firm. I repeat, right to share the assets of the partnership firm. Now, after seeing the rights, let's move ahead. At the time of admission of the new partner, there are some important accounting changes which happen in a partnership firm. And those important accounting steps are as follows. Number one, change in profit sharing ratio. Number two, treatment of goodwill. Step 3, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. Number 4, partner's capital account, its adjustments. Number 5, cash or bank account. And number 6, reconstituted balance sheet of the new firm. See children, this whole chapter, admission of a partner, comprises of these 6 steps in accounting. And one complete question when you attempt includes all these 6 steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The first effect at the time of admission of a new partner is directly on the profit sharing ratio existing between the partners. Now, let me just give a very simple example to make you understand this. See, let's suppose there are 3 partners A, B and C. They are doing their business from past few years. At a point of time while doing their business, A, B and C, they mutually felt that they need more capital into the business, and for that the decision taken by them is taking a new partner D into their partnership firm. Before D is admitted, A, B and C were sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. That means A was getting 3/6 share in the profit, B was getting 2/6 share in the profit, and C was getting 1/6 share in the profit. I hope you understand this. Now, at the time of admission, this will be known as an old ratio. That means the old ratio between A, B and C is 3:2:1. Now, whenever a new partner comes, he gets some share in the future profits of the business. This we saw in the previous slide. Let us suppose in this case, the partner D is getting 1/5 share in the future profits of the business. I repeat, partner D is getting 1/5 share in the future profits of the business. And the new partnership firm comprises of old partners A, B, C and a new partner D. Now it is very common to understand that after giving 1/5 share to the new partner D, the leftover or the remaining share which is to be distributed among A, B and C will be 1 minus 1 by 5, which will be equal to 4 by 5. And this remaining share will be distributed among the old partners A, B and C, and finally we will arrive at what is called new ratio. So there will be a new ratio computed in our steps, and finally there will be two ratio now, old ratio and new ratio. I hope this is clear. We are going to see all this in our questions coming up, and we have to do a lot of questions related to ratios. In fact, the beginning of any question in this chapter is with old ratio, new ratio. So here is step 1, change in profit sharing ratio. The existing partners may agree to share profits and losses in a ratio that is different from the earlier agreed profit sharing ratio. Change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners result in a reconstitution of the firm. This we have already discussed earlier. So there are concept of three types of ratio in the chapter. One is old ratio. It is the ratio in which old partners agree to distribute their share of profit, what I told you as 3:2:1 among ABC. Then there will be a new ratio, and this will be after calculating the steps, there will be ratio between all four partners A, B, C, the old one, and D, the new one. So it is the ratio in which all partners, including new or incoming, share future profits and losses of the firm. And finally, there is a concept of sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is the difference between old ratio and new ratio. In simple terms, it is the ratio in which one or more partners of the firm sacrifices their share of profit in favor of one or more partners. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. A simple formula, sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Now here is an example. Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit. So see, the old ratio between Anil and Vishal stands at 3:2. Sumit, the new partner, is getting 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm. Children, this is clear? So what is the step? From the total share of the firm, which always stands at 1. Remember, whatever the number of partners, whether 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 or 20, the total share of all the partners together is 1. This is simple to understand. We subtract the share of the new partner, Sumit, that is 1/5. So 1 minus 1/5 is equal to 4/5. Clear? Then the remaining share will be known as 4/5. This 4/5 will be divided between the other two old partners, that is Anil and Vishal. So what will Anil get in this remaining share? He will get 3/5. And where is this 3/5 coming from? It is coming from this ratio 3:2. 3 plus 2 makes 5. Left partner is Anil, right partner is Vishal. So 3/5 of 4/5, which is remaining, this one is equal to 12/25. And same for the other partner Vishal, 2/5 of remaining, that is 4/5, is equal to 8/25. So this will be the share of Anil and Vishal in the new firm. That means 12/25, 8/25, and the share of new partner is 1/5. After this, you will take LCM and make the share equal in denominator. So when you calculate it in denominator, it will be 12/25 share for Anil, Vishal will be 8/25, and the new partner Sumit, his share was 1/5. To make denominator 25, you multiply this denominator by 5 as well as numerator by 5, because 5 by 5 makes 1. So the share of new partner Sumit will be 5 by 5. Therefore, the new ratio will stand at 12 is to 8 is to 5. 12 is to 8 is to 5 will be the new profit sharing ratio. Let us see here. Okay, so this says new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit will be 12 is to 8 is to 5. I hope this is clear. Thank you. So this is the beginning of our chapter admission of a partner with the first step change in profit sharing ratio, talking about old ratio and new ratio. Well, if this is understood to you, we will continue next class with one step ahead, which is called sacrificing ratio. So to recapitulate, what we have studied today is the meaning of the word reconstitution of partnership firm. Then we have seen when is the firm said to be reconstituted. There were 5 cases. Number 1, change in profit sharing ratio. Number 2, amalgamation of partnership firm, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, and death of a partner. Then we have seen why is there a need to take a new partner into a partnership firm, or what is the need to take a new partner for an additional capital, for better managerial ability, or we can say for both. Then we have understood the meaning of admission of a partner, what are the rights given to a new partner in a partnership firm, what are the 6 steps which are required in accounting, and among those 6 steps we have understood in beginning what is change in profit sharing ratio. So today's class we end here. Next class we are going to start with sacrificing ratio. Till then, if you have books with you, you can read it, you can understand. This is admission of a partner, and with hope that when we come to next class you would have revised all this what we've studied today. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye.